Welcome back, guys. I'm Magic Carmen. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn the two hearts into the two hearts. How cool is that? So what you need to do is have the ace of hearts, have another ace of hearts, and on the back have the two of hearts. And what you want to do is tape these two cards together, just like that. Super easy. Just tape them together. Have one side ace of hearts, another side the two. And then this side is just a regular ace of hearts. What you want to do is put these two cards together just like this, so the ace of hearts and the ace of hearts are together, and then the two is right here, and on the back it looks normal, and you just want to hold it just like this. And as you go and grab the two of hearts, what you want to do is take the two and then just turn it over, and so really quick you're like, oh, watch me turn the two hearts into the two hearts. Oh, how cool is that? And it looks like, you know, it changed, and it's really cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!